friends, welcome back to Sunny Days. It's been quite a hiatus. My last video got taken down by YouTube because of some child endangerment policy. I tried re-uploading it, trying to age restrict it, trying to select the option where it is not meant for kids, but apparently they still had to take it down because it breached some policy. They let me go off with the warning though. They didn't actually content strike me or ban me for a week. That's how it works. So that didn't happen, thank God. So right now, okay, we're back again for another video. We are going to do react to entertaining facts about the world today. Some interesting facts that we ought to know. So most of us might not know about it. So let's just check it out, have fun. I'm with you till the end. Let's get straight to the video. We're gonna react to some interesting, entertaining facts about the world or some amusing facts. Let's check it out what it's all about. Here we go. Old name of Thailand was Siam. Siam. I didn't know that. I'm not a Siamese. I do have a twin though, but we're not Siamese. Guardsmen fainted during a ceremony, but other guards kept their attention. What? He fell face first, and nobody could actually reach out to him. What if he was having an attack or something? What if it was serious? Sad, man. North Koreans need permission from government in order to purchase a computer. Straight up, like I only needed permission from my mom, not even my dad. If mom said yes, we're getting things done in the house. I wanted a bike, ask mom. I wanted food, ask mom. It's so funny. They need to take permission from their government to buy a computer. State University, he wrote 1,500 books in 3 years. The show Friends generates 1 billion in syndication revenue each year. The 6 main cast members earn 2% of that, roughly 20 million per year. That's not great. Provided it made 1 billion. They made only 20 million per year, so it is not that great. Old name was Iran Persia. Yeah, Prince of Persia. Scientists took Stephen Hawking to a zero gravity shuttle once to lift him from his wheelchair and make him happy. Wow. Bear Grylls holds the world record for the highest open-air formal dinner party held in a hot balloon at 7,600 meters. In Iraq, the books in the book market remain in the street at night because the Iraqi says the reader doesn't steal and the thief doesn't read. That's kind of badass, no? The reader doesn't steal and the thief doesn't read. Some things don't change, I guess. The Avengers were a real team of Jewish assassins that tracked down and executed Nazi war criminals after. Okay, those were the real Avengers. The Avengers was a real team of Jewish assassins. Wow, that's badass, because what the Nazis did, what Hitler did with Jews, if everybody knows, it was very, very tragic and very sad, because they were locked in concentration camps, in gas chambers, and they were executed mercilessly, and heaps and heaps of bodies lied, in the middle of the road or somewhere in the concentration camps, just as a victory of Nazis over Jews. And Hitler for some reason hates Jews. There is a thing saying that Hitler hates Jews maybe because he fell in love with a Jewish girl and she apparently had to reject him, and then he went batshit crazy on them. So damn, all great disasters happened because of probably one woman, Hitler. Mahabharat happened because of one lady. Ramayana happened because of one lady. Thinking about it, just food for your thoughts, amusing facts. So the real Avengers were these guys, Jews. Payback time. When Princess Diana went to Disneyland, she made her sons Harry and William wait in line just like everyone else. Respect. Dorothy Counts, the first black girl to attend all-white school in the US, being teased and taunted by her white male peers in 1957. Yeah, this is moving kind of fast. In 1977, within 15 minutes, Brenda Spencer injured 8 children and a police officer killed a custodian and principal at a school. 1977, within 15 minutes, injured 8 children and a police officer killed a custodian and principal. What did she have? When asked why, she said, I don't like what? Mondays. She doesn't like Mondays, so she killed a principal, a custodian, injured 8 children and a police officer in 15 minutes. I think that's the problem with America, I think, because they get guns very easily. A school going kid did all this. Damn. Scary. By the way, talking about the previous one, talking about the Nazi Jews thing, there is a movie called Der Untergang, Last 10 Days of Hitler. If you want to check it out, it's awesome. And if you also want to check it out, there's another movie called His Life is Beautiful, which I was recently just jogging my memory with. It's an amazing flick. Check it out. Let's continue the video though. The inventor of chocolate chip cookies sold the idea to Nestle Toll House in return for a lifetime supply of chocolate. She could have gotten more, trust me. How important chocolate is for the health and in today's world. Smoking areas existed in public high schools. Back in 1980, students could smoke cigarettes on school grounds between classes in designated lounges. In our school, they were not letting us out to eat food. There was no canteen. And these people had lounges to smoke cigarettes during class breaks. See, foreign countries. Damn. When Charlie Chaplin received his honorary Oscar, he received a 12-minute standing ovation, the longest in the Oscar history ever. Yeah, I know this. Inside of an AirPod. Oh, cool. I still don't see why it's worth so much though. When conjoined twins Daisy Hilton died, her sister Violet remained alive and attached to her for several days before they were both found dead. Oh, sad. The first astronauts to go to the moon were quarantined for 3 weeks just in case they'd carried any deadly virus from the moon. Oh my god. Imagine traveling all the way to the moon, making it back alive, and still being stuck in that small chamber for 3 weeks. Jesus. I hope none of them were claustrophobic. People who are afraid of confined spaces, tiny spaces. That's called as claustrophobia. Kylie Jenner said she no longer used Snapchat. Its market value dropped by 1.5 billion. Damn! Talk about social influences. Last known picture of two of the most brilliant minds in history, Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla. Quick question. Who was more cooler? Was it Albert Einstein, who made theory of relativity is equal to mc square, or Nikola Tesla? AC, AC current. Check it out. In Germany, they give you 0.25 euro for every can or plastic bottle you recycle. It's a refund of a deposit you paid while purchasing an item. This is just one of the reasons. One of the reasons the streets are so clean. Wonderful incentive to recycle. Thank you. Yeah, it is. Here the taxes are at an all-time high. It's crazy how the government just loots people. There is tax for their service tax, this tax, that tax. Oh, and apart from that, we have so many other taxes: property tax, income tax, service tax, this tax, that tax. Human beings are the only species which pay to survive, and still safety is not guaranteed. Still medication is not guaranteed. Health, nothing is certain, and we still have to pay. Why? Slave away. Just some thoughts. Sorry. The world's most expensive bottle of vodka was stolen and found empty. Mobile phone throwing is an official sport in Finland. Why would they throw mobile phones? In 1965, a machine was patented to deliver a baby using centrifugal force. The machine would spin until the baby came out and it would be caught in a net. What? So, I'm a twin. So, what if there were 2 babies or 3 to 4 babies? It would keep spinning. And the babies just, flew out and were caught on a net. Would they survive it? Maybe that's why I'm born special. I was born due to centrifugal force. 1985, a drunk student hijacked a Boeing Norway demanding to talk to the Prime Minister. He later surrendered in exchange of more beer. Now that is a true alcoholic. If I was a true alcoholic, I would have done the same thing. He hijacked a plane. He could have asked for anything. But what did he settle for? He was drunk. He needed more booze. Amazing. Thug life. Did you know companies that don't require a degree, all the best companies don't require a degree, yaar. In 2012, a woman took part in the search of a missing tourist in Iceland only to realize hours later that she was the missing. Bill Gates is America's biggest farmer and largest farmland owner in America. The richest man, one of the richest people. Biggest farmer. A man in China once had 9999 red roses sewn into a dress for his girlfriend before asking for her hand in marriage. Oh my god, how could she say no? Impossible, right? Thug life. A South African politician used to love his Mercedes so much that his last wish was to be buried while sitting in it. He will drive to heaven in a Mercedes. Badass. This is a Korean horror film named The Death Bell, in which student is killed for every question answered incorrectly. That's why you don't ask questions. Train station in Japan had plans to close, but noticed a student was only one using it. They decided to close when she graduates from high school. Wow. Eminem was asleep at home with his daughter while watching cartoons when it was announced he won an Oscar for Lose Yourself. Dad of the Year. An 18-year-old illegally climbed Egypt's Great Pyramid of Giza and took this incredible photo. Respect. Balls, huh? Vertigo. Artist creates amazing portrait by smashing glass. Wow. Kids remote learning during a polio outbreak in 1940s. Teacher read lessons over the radio. Before Corona. All 3 women in 1885 photo. See, 114 just gets skipped so quickly. We can't even read it. I'm gonna pause it, don't mind. The video is going already too long, I guess. We're almost at the end, by the way. All 3 women in 1885 photo are the first female licensed doctors in their respective countries: India, Japan, and Syria. The sari, the kimono, I don't know what that is, sorry. World's strongest fruit is kiwi. Eating kiwi reduces eye problems and increases eyesight. Strongest fruit, huh? Damn, it still doesn't taste so good for me though. Students cheat in exam because our education system values grades more than our learning. We're still on YouTube though, learning stuff. Violet Jessup, a ship nurse, served on each of 3 ships, Titanic, Britannic, and Olympic. While she was on board, Olympic collided with a warship and sank. Titanic hit an iceberg and sank. Britannic hit an underwater mine and sank. She survived all. Luckiest female. Violet Jessup. Wow. Titanic, Britannic, Olympic. Ick. Sink. Sorry. Okay, I think that brings us to an end of another amusing, entertaining interaction with you guys. It's been so long, so I had to get it all out of my chest. Talk. Thank you so much for being with me. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. It was wonderful catching up and being back on YouTube after a while. Please support, please join, please help. Share some love, show some love. Take care. Adios, muchachos. Bye bye.